real quick announcement. We are having a roping going on today too. So there's going to be lots of trailers and lots of cowboys. We have a concession stand down underneath. They're going to have green chill burros. There's a concession stand over at the roping arena. They have hot dogs, bean and cheese, or bean burritos, and green chill burros over there too. So just so everybody, while all those trailers are all coming in, we're having roping on the other side. Okay, Dennis and Bill, flags up. 2, 2, 2. That's going to be a no time. Okay, this is going to be Bob and Mark. They're going to be followed by Donna and Kathy. Suzanne and Phil, be thinking about it.